Shore River that lives side by side with its bigger and humongous neighbor, the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean knows its space and is mindful of the fact that it can, in less than a second, override the small Shore River. Unlike most humans, it is not intimidating the smaller river. Every so often, 6 to 10 times in a year, the Osura River will pay an unwelcome visit to the humongous Atlantic Ocean. The ocean will accommodate the smaller river and purify it with its saltiness. After being purified, the Osura River will thank its bigger brother and gradually return, within 24 hours, back to its home. Because east and west, home is the best. The bigger Atlantic Ocean will gradually pack back the sand broken by the intruding Shore River and continue its magnificent roar, while the young, small Shore River will maintain its calm. And so, both of them will continue to coexist peacefully. You should learn from nature.